Hey guys, good morning, and I'm here to invite you to join the relaunched Tronsense Revolution smart contract. So this one is probably going to be the most lucrative of all to date. Right now, this smart contract is starting at 10% daily, and you can earn up to 200% of your original investment. And this looks real promising. Let's just check on the smart contract statistics. It just launched a few days ago. And so right now it has 1.28 million TRX, the equivalent of 84,582 US dollars. And what I think is going to be different about this one, let's just go over, okay, right now, so they have 303 participants. So this is just really launching, but what's going to be different about this platform is that they have an automatic reinvestment feature to try and extend the length of the contract. But just let's just go over some of the basics. So 10% every 24 hours. Okay. I believe their last contract probably started at 7 or 8, but they didn't have the reinvestment feature. You're going to get a hold bonus of 0.3% for every 24 hours that you don't do a withdrawal. So it's going to go up, for instance, after 24 hours, it's 0.3. After 48 hours, it's 0.6. After 72 hours, 0.9, so on and so on. And then for every additional 1 million TRX that is in the balance, it's going to go up another 0.1%. So as you know, just like last time, the minimum deposit is 200 TRX. And it works the same way. So if you use a Clever wallet or TronLink wallet, you're still going to deposit. This time around, it has 10 levels of affiliate rewards. So 5% for the first referral, someone that's referred after them. The second level would be 3%. Then it goes to 1%, and then 0.5% for levels 4 through 10. It looks pretty good. I'm excited about this because of the sheer amount of potential return on investment that you can get. And so what I think that I'm going to employ on this strategy, however, is a system of withdrawals so that I can recoup the initial investment and then start doing a 50-50 strategy. So I'm debating, since it is 10%, if I should just withdraw every day, so up to 10 or 12 days, so that I can recoup, and then do a 90-10 or 50-50 strategy, or start off with some blend of that strategy. Since there's an automatic reinvestment, I think I'll just be withdrawing until I recoup, and then add the difference, maybe 15%, so I can get to a 50-50 redeposit strategy. So let's do this. We're going to, let me just refresh the screen. Okay, so we're going to do a deposit of 180,000 TRX. And the reason I want to do that amount is because I think it would be really quickly for me to get back to my original amount. So I'm gaining a lot each day. So at that rate, I would be getting 18,000 TRX a day. If I waited for 10 days, possibly I could get up to, you know, like 11%. I'm still debating on that. I guess I'll sleep on it and see. Since there is an automatic redeposit, should I wait 10 days and then just do a giant withdrawal? That could be something of a possibility. It might work out in my favor. But we'll see. So let's do this deposit. I don't know why it did like a double. We're going to reject that second one. And let's make sure. So we have 180,000 TRX invested. It's currently earning 10.1%. And what I'll do is I'll share the referral link in the description. What I'll also do is invite people to share their own links so that I can share it on a video. So even if I don't decide to pull out the earnings tomorrow, I'll still do a video just to give you a recap, just to see how it's growing, to see how the community is revolving around it, around this new project that's paying the highest ROI to date. So I'd like to share your referral code on some of those videos if you are a subscriber to the YouTube channel and also a member, an active member of the Facebook page. Okay, so that will be it for today. This looks exciting. It's early on, so I would say jump in now. Get to the point where you can recoup your entire front-end investment, and then everything else should be gravy for you. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.